I'm making some Easter cookies, bar cookies. Now, I don't have a white cake or a yellow cake, so I'm using this funfetti, which, that's fine. It's got little Easter, like sprinkles in it. First, second, third. All right, got oil in my eggs. Stir that all together. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now. Right, I used a glove because I find it just spreads easier than warm hands. Okay, now we're going to put in our M&Ms. Okay, M&M, you need to make some better yellow ones. The yellow ones are ugly. All right, got all my M&Ms. We're gonna throw in the oven. Got them and they are cooled down. Oh, yum. They look delicious. There you go. Easter cookies with little sprinkles. Gotta love it.